Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Pink Highland Poppy seed in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Highland Poppy flower is one of the plants from the winter frost season in Heartopia, so it's only available during the season. First, you can go to blank. She's at the Winter Utopia, and then you're going to buy the Highland Poppy seeds. And to get the pink one, you need to combine the red Highland Poppy seed with the with the white Highland Poppy seed. You need to plant them nearby like this. You need to trigger the crossbreeding, and when the crossbreeding is successful, it will create new color, which is the pink color. So the pink color is the combination from the red Highland Poppy and also the white Highland Poppy. And to trigger the crossbreeding, don't immediately harvest it. You need to water them, just keep watering them until you see new seed pop up on the flower, and then you will be able to plant it. If you want to know more about the crossbreeding process, you can watch my previous video. I've already explained how to trigger the crossbreeding and how to get the seed. Basically, if you want to get new color, you need to do the crossbreeding process. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Pink Highland Poppy seed in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!